Right guys, just a very quick review of Affiliate Oracle by my mate Adam Payne. Now, we're on the sales page here. Now the thing with Adam, you will not see flashy sales pages. You will not see subjects like 3 clicks and make money in 15 seconds, etc. like you'll see on the Warrior Forum all the time. Adam is one of the most honest guys in this arena. In fact, he doesn't go in for all this launch circle jerk stuff. He does his own thing and he does it very, very well. Now, okay, got some testimonials. Read this before you go any further. I have never seen a sales page that actually has a link to Netflix. Basically, it says to go through the sales page, and you haven't got time for that. You probably need to go to Netflix. He doesn't hold any punches. He's an honest guy. He doesn't hide behind a layer of bullshit. What he actually does works. And this product is all about how he drives sales and how he crushes launches, affiliate marketing. Now he doesn't have a massive email list, but he does things very, very different to what a lot of other people do. Most people just hammer the list day in, day out with a different offer. He doesn't do any of that, and a lot of people, they don't even care what they promote to the lists. They're just all about launching products and then scratching each other's backs, etc. Adam doesn't do any of that, and he pays off massively. He doesn't have to work as hard as these other guys. He can do a lot less work and get far bigger results than these other guys that are all scratching each other's backs. And as you can see, this is all without a use list, big product launches, kissing up to other marketers, being techie, or being handsome. Okay, so you don't even have to be handsome to make this work. And here's some results that he's got. Okay, $70,000 in recurring income. Small list, big profits. Over 4,000, that's from one launch. Okay, absolutely crushed it, and he shows you how he does all this, by the way. And these are real results, and he's hitting the leaderboards. Okay, ClickBank, etc. there. Okay, so let's go into the members area. Alright, I'll go over these two products. These are upsells. I'll go to this one first. This is the front end product. Now there's no upsells to the actual Affiliate Oracle. Basically, this is the whole product, and then in the flow you can have access to the conversion point and YouTube Ad Mastery, which I'll go into. Anyway, let's get into the Affiliate Oracle. Okay, so this is the Affiliate Marketing Oracle dashboard. We've got our welcome, we've got how Adam actually, his whole thinking behind his processes, all the tools he needs, choosing a niche, because Adam makes money in a lot of different niches, not just internet marketing niche, domain names, all the basic website stuff. A lot of you probably already know how to set up a website, but if you don't worry, he's got you covered. This is from start to finish exactly what you need. Okay, there's nothing left out. And even got tracking in there, review sites, choosing what to promote, and he doesn't promote any old crap. He goes through exactly what to promote and down to traffic, and each section has obviously more video. So click on traffic, which is obviously a big factor. So we've got all these different videos on traffic. So each section is broken up like that, and he shows you a $10,000 case study he did, and that was one product from his small list. Now, I haven't said you're going to make $10,000 from your list, but you will see better results if you take the stance of what Adam does as opposed to what 95 of the other affiliate marketers out there do. Affiliate marketing is a big portion of my income, and I do a lot of use a lot of techniques that Adam does. One of my bonuses that I'm going to give you is how a technique I've been using the last, I think 3 or 4 months now, of how I actually get into people's inboxes, and it's obviously making a big impact to my bottom line. So that'll be one of my bonuses. If you click on the link below this video, you'll see all my other bonuses. Now let me go to back to the home page. So Affiliate Oracle, that's teaches all how to be a good affiliate marketer, and everything that teaches you everything Adam does to crush it with affiliate marketing. Now, one of the upsells is a conversion point, and the upsell after that is YouTube Ads Mastery. Now, the conversion point, this normally sells for $97, and the crazy thing is he's not had one single refund. Now, it's in this launch, it's actually $47, but he's not had a single refund at $97. So I've actually seen this product. Let me just log in. Okay, another welcome introduction, your follow-up series. Again, this is another more about how to promote to your email list and how to get massive conversions from very, very small lists. I mean, look, the 80% conversion rate case study. I look at how emails help me win an affiliate promo, plus the mistakes I made. I look inside, everything is revealed. Warning, I do swear. So he got 80% conversion rate, even though he messed up. So let me just have a look into that. This is a funnelized launch he did. He absolutely crushed this. He shows how he did his ads. Showed what he did on Facebook, both free and paid. Shows everything on this launch, and not just on launch day, on the build up to launch. He absolutely crushed that launch. I was on that launch, and he absolutely left everybody in the dust. And this, all using these techniques in the conversion point, and he's got his product promo sequence here, all step by step how he actually pre-launch and during launch emails, etc. And then we have, this is the last one in the funnel, YouTube Ads Mastery. Now, if you don't know Adam knows YouTube inside and out. YouTube is his domain. He knows how to rank videos on YouTube. He knows how to do paid ads on YouTube. Adam is my go-to guy. If I've got any questions about YouTube, I ask Adam. Honestly, he's a master of YouTube. He knows his shit, I'll tell you that now. This goes through, this is part of his monthly training course, actually. This is a section, and this is all about paid ads on YouTube. If you are wanting to run ads on YouTube, just listen to Adam. Honestly, his stuff is absolutely spot on, no bullshit, and it's very contactable. If you've got any problems, just contact the guy. He's got his own Facebook group that'll help you. He's a guy to be in contact with. If you're not already on his list, you should get on his email list. So that's the Affiliate Oracle. If you're watching this on YouTube, click on the link below to have a look at all the other videos. Enjoy your training. Don't just buy it and leave it gathering dust on your hard drive. Bookmark it. You will come back to it over and over again. It's very in depth and it works. It's honest. It's not. There's no false promises. You're not going to make money in the next 10 minutes of buying it or anything crazy like that. It's just genuine stuff that actually works. And if you've taken this affiliate marketing business seriously, you'll need to be implementing these things in your business, or you're just going to be treading water. Okay, so highly recommend anything Adam puts out, and this is no exception. Okay, so enjoy your training, guys. If you get stuck with anything, you know how to get hold of me. Just get hold of me, and I'll help you out.